As I said, I will show today different techniques, or it is a techniques, or you can say this is of useful tips of line of action in the drawing. So before I'm going to start the line of action in gesture drawing or figurative of human anatomy, so these are the most important thing to understand the line of action. So before the line of action, the basic theory and the fundamentals of drawing, there is a many things. So only I wanted to tell certain things to understand, like to start any drawing, whatever it is. So the thing is that every techniques has own rules in the drawings, and we have to understand, we have to follow accordingly to create a perfect proportion composition. So that's why I am a bit focused on the particular point. See, the thing is that uh, every proportion and composition has own dimension. So like, see, the dots has no dimension. So it is like that line having uh, so before the dimensional, see, the point or dot, I said the point and dot has no dimension. So accordingly we have to understand the line, exact the line of the figure in the whatever is the perspective drawing, or uh, or any others figure. So basically two-dimensional drawings are having length and width. So simultaneously the picture will be two-dimensional. Uh, somebody says picture has no dimensional dimension, only it has effect or uh, feelings. So nowadays many artists experimenting the things to his own way to create a four-dimensional or five-dimensional picture. But basically we have to understand the start the drawing. Line is the name of the path which connects two end point. Thus this shown single direction if the thickness of the line is not taken into consideration. So earlier I said the two-dimensional or three-dimensional, it having two-dimensional width and length. So there are lots of theory. So before I am going to start, just I will show the line of action. Earlier I saw some stick techniques, and now I am going to share the line of actual line of action, how it is uh, drawn on the paper to create in particular, or how it will be drawn through the line of the portrait or any figurative drawing. So So I have some figure, and accordingly I will show how it is will be drawn on the paper. Let the camera fix properly. Hope people can see my drawing over here. Suppose this I am going to draw. Just observe the lines. I just drawn the line. See, this is the line. This is not the line. The straight line, I draw the straight line. I am doing nothing. Whatever it is, there is a curve, there is a curve, but I draw a straight line to create basic layout. So either you can draw the basic outline also, but I am just completing in the first strokes of. So these are the things we have to understand and practice. So I drawn this line, so just I erase because I have to complete. Yes, this is the only way we can create. After that, we can just complete the picture. And one more thing, try to draw in one strokes of any drawings. But for that, you have to do the practicing. for particular any drawings. So that will not come in the one day. Sometime also I am also did the mistakes, that is that is error, but everybody has his own way or skilled to develop skilled. We need to practice. So it is like that. Just I am zooming. You can see the picture third, this one. So because this is tutorial video, I am just wanting to copy the exact picture. That's why I tried to copy the dark area, the shadow also. But the thing is that the fundamental of drawing, we have to understand the line of action. Another is I am going to create the first picture. Yeah, one more thing, the holding of pencil, that is also important, but it's depend. I'm not going to share how we hold the different types of holding the pencil, whatever it is, tripod or any pencil. We have to uh, draw the perfectly, but sometimes there is a also I can share the techniques, and drawing through the pencil with the different holding types. So another one, the first one I am creating. See, there is a line, straight line, then there is a side line. You can see I draw side line, then again there is a line, the right hand side. So I draw like this. Again there is a line and I complete like this. So basic outlet I will get from the straight lines. So I have to complete with the basic observation, how the types of eyes, types of nose, and how it's look like. So just I am finishing this. So I erase this line to complete. With the pencil stroke, whether it is shading is not necessary, only stroke we have to practice. See, something like this. So you can see it is quite matched. So these are the tricks and technique because I am using mechanical pen. So that's why the dark area I am unable to draw. So hope this technique and many uh, of the peoples or any artist I have seen this line of action they follow. So any drawing has own rule. Accordingly, we have to draw the picture and practice the only thing to achieve the desired skill. Hope this video is useful for the art lover. Have a nice time. So next video will come up with the different technique in similar gesture drawing, figurative drawing, might be it is animated. So let's see and wait for the next video. Thanks. Have a nice time.